Hey, what's up guys? I just wanted to tell you about my recent obsession. It's a cold brew coffee. It's called HeyDay. They're really good. They come in, to my knowledge, these 5 flavors. So vanilla, chocolate, caramel, espresso, and original. It's called HeyDay. So they're all different flavors. I like that they're not too sweet and they aren't sugary at all. The original is completely dairy free, so there's only 15 calories in this one, 1 gram of protein, not much of course, and only 1 gram of sugar because it's just a little bit of cane sugar that they add to it. So the ingredients are cold brewed fair trade certified coffee, pure cane sugar, potassium phosphates. I'm sure that's just to keep it fresh. Just a little bit about the product: the big, the small, the everyday, the once in a lifetime. These are your heydays. I guess that's where they got the name from. They belong only to you. The ones you've had, the ones yet to be discovered. Cold brewing the best, most delicious coffee is more than a passion. It's why we get up every morning, because if we can make your day better, then you've made ours. So make today your heyday. So I think that their little slogan's really cute. Well, the cans are recyclable. Definitely have to be refrigerated before you drink them so that they're nice and chilled. And also, once they're open, you have to refrigerate them as well. The espresso is really good. This one has, let's see the ingredients. This is the cold brew fair trade certified coffee, reduced fat milk, pure cane sugar, natural flavors, pestin, and potassium phosphates. And I like that all the coffee is fair trade certified. Calories in here is of course more than the original because there's a little dairy. There's 60 calories, total fat 1 gram, total carbs 13 grams, total sugar 7 grams, and 3 grams of protein. They're all 11 ounces. I believe you could buy them, like, I bought the pack that came with all the different flavors, but I think you could buy them separately, of course, too. Let's go to the caramel. 60 calories, 6 grams of sugar. That's really not bad. If you look at the Starbucks Frappuccinos, there's like so much more. There's like 30 to 40 grams of sugar in those. The chocolate, 70 calories, 14 grams of carbs, and 9 grams of sugar. Vanilla, 80 calories per can, total sugar is 9 grams. That's really not bad. Also, like, the most amount of sugar that any of them have, I think, is 9 grams. Like, that's definitely doable. And I love that these are, like, so convenient. You could just grab them and go. Like, I'm planning on actually bringing a couple to the beach with me today with my breakfast. So, you know, who wants to drink a hot coffee while you're at the beach? You want to bring something cold, and even like on your way to work in the morning, grab some cold coffee. I'm one of those that likes cold coffee even in the winter, but especially in the summer I stick with cold. So I'm going to go ahead and open one up so you guys could see what the consistency is like. Let's see, which one do I feel like having today? I need caffeine, so let's go with the espresso. Shake it up real good first. So like my healthy coffees, but they taste good. Little foamy at the top. Nice and frothy at the top. I'm gonna take a sip. So good. Delicious, but they're all really, really good. The vanilla is so good. That's probably the most popular flavor, I think. Chocolate, caramel. They have like little things on the bottom that say what they are. So like the original is the black and clean. The caramel heyday is the light and classic. The chocolate is smooth and savory. The vanilla is subtle and sweet. And then I have the espresso that I just opened. And that one is strong and smooth. And then I'm trying to see if it says on here how much caffeine. I think I did see it someplace. definitely a good amount. I want to say this one's like 140 milligrams of caffeine, the espresso, and the rest are like at least 80. So awesome product, delicious, convenient, fair trade certified, perfect cold brew coffees. I hope you guys pick one up and I hope you enjoy it. I know I have. Later, guys.